G'day, welcome back to the debuild rebuild part 12, I'm pretty sure, eh big fella?
Yeah.
So yeah, this episode hopefully we can get the suspension back into the big girl, get it back on the ground and out of the shed. While the kids were at school, I went down to my mate's workshop and borrowed his press, pressed out the old bushes, put in some new ones, and then I'd like to give a bit of a shout out to my mate Wayno and Petters for helping us out with a adjustable upper control arm. They're bloody heavy duty, but I'll show you something in a second. So on those diffs that we got, came with some upgraded rear trailing arms, control arms, which is good because we needed them, because check out how bent this one is. Holy dolly. So yeah, it was a good buy. Thanks Murray. 30 thumbs up, mate. So here's that upgraded Petters upper control arm. There's a road safe one. So we're going to use that for the meantime. I've just hit Petters up to send us another one of these. And that's the original there. And the difference in weight, holy dolly. I should weigh them to see what it is. Come on, mate. Let's put them in, eh?
Okay.
Stop trying to build up those guns. How you going, mate?
I can't get it in the hole.
That's going to be your life story, mate.
What do you mean?
I'll tell you when you're older, mate. You'll work it out.
Are you ready? Ready? Steady.
Yeah, mate. Up you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. Wait for a minute. All right. Okay. Yep.
This one needs to come forward.
Yep. Give it a tap. Yep. Grab that. Stop. Grab that podgy bar there, mate. See it? Pass it in. Is it lined up now?
No, it needs to come forward a bit more.
A little bit more. Yeah, go to the other side. Righto, mate. It's the front end in loosely, and let's move on to the rear. Come on, out here. What we're going to do is I reckon we'll take those wheels off, put the rims on so we can wheel it back in easily, and what else? We'll put the control arms on and we'll get it into place, eh? Righto. Here.
Dad, you big ol'.
Big horse. Right, let's sort this one out.
Right.
Right hand side, see how the arrow's going forward, so put it down here for now. What we'll do, just line that up. Then when we get a wheel alignment later, we'll get them to sort it all out. That should be good enough. We'll lock that off. One will be a left hand thread and one will be a right hand thread.
Alright.
Yeah, you know that? Oh, look at that. Alright, so that's that. We can put that there, that one there. control arm in place. Can you work out where it goes?
Does it go down?
Yeah. See where the arrow is? There's the arrow. I'll put an arrow on it. So that way you knew. Okay. Put that back through. Good work, man.
Hey, Dad, we got to do the exhaust tip the way I wanted it.
We'll sort that out after. You didn't win, did ya?
Yeah, I did.
How did you win?
Cause.
Why do the people like you?
Cause
Why are you number one? Hold on. I'll just push this up. Alright. We're going to hit the other shock absorber. We need to come back a bit. Push it forward. Hold on. Righto, just watch that arm on that side there, near that jack stand. Does that push back at all? Hey?
What?
Does it push it back a bit?
There's shock absorbers in the way.
Okay. So, how come everyone voted for your exhaust tip?
Because mine was cool.
No.
Yeah,
It's got to go straight out.
No,
Grandpa spec, man.
Yours was boring.
No.
If it's Grandpa spec, put the badge on.
Put the badge on? No.
Yes.
Right, I get this other control arm in, mate. The other front one. Righto, big fella. Let's call it a night. It's all back in there loosely for now, eh?
Yep.
Cool. Well, we're back into it. Got it back on the ground. Sitting nice and level now. I'll have to get another measurement of that front end. The big fella's just connecting the brake line up. Gives a thumbs up, mate. Yeah, boy. And then we're going to tighten up all the suspension while it's sitting at a nice height like that. And we'll go from there. There we have it. This side here, 925-ish. The guard. Let's go look on the other side. Passenger side. Just on 930. 5mm difference. We'll see how it goes after we take for a drive, eh? Righto, mate. Send it.
How many nuggets?
We'll go for 4 on this bolt. Ready? Go. Oh, there you go, man.
All good?
Good. Ready to bleed yet?
Yep.
All right. What about the sway bar link? You going to reconnect that?
Now give us more flex.
More flex.
Pump it up. Hold it.
No bubbles?
No.
Okay, tighten it back up.
Okay. Pump it up. Are you pumping up then?
Yeah, I'm pumping it.
Hold it.
Righto.
Pump it up. Are you pumping up then?
Yeah.
Hold it down.
Well, it was a good crack, mate. We got the suspension sorted. It's all tightened up. We've got a few bits and bobs to sort out. The brakes are bled up.
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
All right, I hope they stop. Let's see if the old girl fires up. And we, what do we need to do next?
Drive it.
Take for a test drive. Okay, go again. All right, you ready? Give it a crack. Once, yep, righto, go. Oh, yeah, boy, she runs. Give us a dirty thumbs up. Righto, bring it out, mate. Test the brakes. Oh, they work. Let's go again. Test them out again. All right, we'll go for a drive on the 4B track.
Yeah.
Check out this bloke here. Look at him go. That's it, give it a go, mate. Give it a go. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow. As soon as you hear a crunch, stop. Oh. Righto, buddy. Try it again. Slow. Oh! Let's check out his smile, eh? What do you reckon? Big fella. Turn it off there. We'll get a flex shot photo, eh? 30 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Join us next time when we get stuck into... Have a look at her go. That's a flash job you've done.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.
Yeah, if you feel like it. Otherwise, yeah, take it easy.